Meaning of improper fraction.
Improper fraction.
Improper fraction.
Improper fraction.
Improper fraction. An improper fraction is a type of fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. It is called improper because the fraction represents a quantity that is greater than one whole unit. For example, the fraction 7/4 is an improper fraction because the numerator, 7, is greater than the denominator, 4. Improper fractions can be converted into mixed numbers, which consist of a whole number and a proper fraction. To convert an improper fraction to a mixed number, divide the numerator by the denominator and write down the quotient as the whole number part. The remainder becomes the numerator of the proper fraction, with the same denominator as before.